The ASX200 is at a critical crossroads. Today's action wasn't just about a 19-point gain, it was a battle of sectors. From tech-fueled breakouts to mining sector carnage, we are witnessing a massive shift in capital. Ready to go deep? Welcome to the V2U Research Ultimate Masterclass. I'm your host. Today, we aren't just summarizing the closing bell for February 16th. We are dissecting the underlying forces driving the Australian economy. Let's look at why the market moved and what it means for your portfolio. The S&P ASX 200 closed at 8,937.10, up 0.22%. While we started above the previous close of 8,917.6, we saw a late session pullback. This volatility is a symptom of broader global macroeconomic shifts that every serious trader needs to track. Looking at the 5-day window, the index has advanced 0.76%. We are now sitting just 1.95% below the 52-week high. This near-high zone is historically where investor psychology plays its biggest role, either fueling a breakout or triggering a sell-off. Technically, the demand zone between 8,672.8 and 8,708.8 remains ironclad. It's been tested multiple times this month. In technical analysis, the more a support zone is tested and holds, the more significant it becomes. This is our foundation for now. On the upside, the resistance near 9,083 to 9,115 is the ceiling. This region has consistently attracted selling interest. Breaking through this will require a significant catalyst. Perhaps the upcoming RBA minutes will be the spark the bulls need. Our 14-day RSI stands at 54.78. This is the definition of neutral momentum. The market isn't overextended yet, which leaves room for growth if the macro data stays supportive. It's a wait-and-see signal for the patient investor. At V2U Research, we use our proprietary insight engine to filter out this noise. While others are guessing, our subscribers are watching these specific zones with clarity. This is the high-value edge that separates V2U from the rest of the market commentary. Let's talk sectors. Information technology didn't just win, it dominated with a 5.65% surge. This isn't just a local trend, it's a reflection of global AI optimism and a rotation into high-growth assets. We are seeing major inflows here. Consumer discretionary and industrials also showed strength, up 1.64% and 1.41%. Despite the cost of living narrative, consumers are still spending and industrial production is holding up, providing a balanced buffer for the index. Telecommunications and healthcare both closed over 1% higher. This is a classic defensive rotation. When volatility spikes, investors hide in stocks with reliable earnings. At V2U, we track these rotations daily to optimize our model portfolios. The pain point? Materials, down 1.04%. Iron ore giants are feeling the weight of softening global demand. If you're heavy in mining, this is a critical time to reassess your exposure. Sector diversification is no longer optional, it's essential. Utilities and financials also lagged. Banks are navigating a tightrope between interest rate margins and loan defaults. Our V2U analyst network is currently deep diving into the Big Four to see who is best positioned for the RBA's next move. Individual stock selection was the key to alpha today. Austal Limited exploded 19.5%. WiseTech Global also impressed, advancing nearly 13%. Their software is the backbone of global logistics. In a volatile world, companies with high moats and essential services like WiseTech become the anchors of a resilient portfolio. However, Treasury Wine fell over 5%, and Fortescue dropped 4.7%. These are warnings. Even great companies can face brutal sell-offs if the macro winds shift. Our V2U alerts help you spot these exit signals before the damage is done. Looking ahead, the RBA minutes are the main event. We are looking for clues on inflation expectations and employment data. The RBA's tone will dictate whether the ASX hits 9,500 by year-end or retreats to the 8,500 support level. V2U Research will be analyzing every word of those minutes. Our subscribers get the breakdown within minutes of the release. In this market, information isn't power. Speed and interpretation are power. That's the V2U Research approach. Let's talk market psychology. Volatility is inevitable. The successful investor is the one who can remain rational while others are panicking. Sentiment can shift on a single headline. Managing your emotions is the first step to managing your wealth. Manage your risk with discipline. The market is a marathon. Diversify your holdings, use stop losses, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. V2U Research is here to provide the data, but your discipline is what secures the win. If this masterclass provided value, hit that like button and subscribe. We are committed to making V2U Research the unbeatable leader in Australian market insights. Join our community and trade with a professional edge. What's on your watch list this week? Are you buying the tech dip or bracing for more mining volatility? Let us know in the comments. We read every single one. Trade smart, manage risk, and we'll see you in the next update.
Disclaimer: the information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Security, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.